Bonjour et bienvenue en French for Beginners. Hello friends, welcome to my channel French for Beginners. Comment ça va? J'espère que tu vas bien. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So last time I make my video on chapter number 1, ALF book number 1, that is Apprenons français book number 1, and in my videos I have explained chapter 0 and 1. Now I am here to explain the exercise of chapter 1, book number 1, ALF Apprenons français. So after the vocabulary, the exercise is given. So first question is given, that is complétez le dialogue. Complétez le dialogue, complete the dialogue. It is written complete the dialogue. Question is complete the dialogue. Bonjour. A is saying bonjour. So what will be the answer of B? When someone says hello to you, what will you answer? You will definitely say hello. So your answer will be bonjour. Your answer will be same, that is bonjour. Next dialogue, je m'appelle dash et toi. Je m'appelle dash et toi. My name is dash and you. So here you will be writing your name. My name is this and you. So in next one, B says, je m'appelle this, my name is this. The person A is saying my name is this and you. So the person B says my name is this. The person A says au revoir and the another blank is given because after au revoir we say a bientôt. Bientôt will be au revoir, bientôt. Another says au revoir, bientôt. That is bye bye, see you soon. Okay, next 2 number question 2 is given. Donnez les mots français. Give the French words. Questions are given. You have to translate the words in English. So as you have done the chapter, you must know the meanings of these questions. If you don't know the meaning of this question, you can simply learn the vocabulary and then you can write. So first word is given hello. So the translation of hello will be bonjour. Bonjour. Next is given good night. Good night. So answer will be bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Third one, goodbye. Goodbye. The answer will be au revoir. Au revoir. Fourth one, fine, thank you. So answer will be ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. Another one, how are you, to an adult. It is mentioned to an adult. How are you? So question, the answer will be, not the answer, the translation will be comment allez-vous? Because it is mentioned to an adult. If it is for a younger, or you can say it's a, if it was informal conversation, so you can ask comment ça va, but it is mentioned comment allez-vous, that is how are you, to an adult. So answer will be comment allez-vous. Number 6 is see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. The answer will be see you tomorrow will be a demain. A demain. Seventh one, what is your name, to an adult. It's mentioned in the bracket to an adult, so translation will be comment vous appelez-vous. Comment vous appelez-vous. Eighth one, good evening. Good evening. So good evening will be bonsoir. Bonsoir. Ninth one, what is your name? What is your name? So answer will be what is your name, to a friend. In 7th point it was given what is your name to an elder, to an adult, but here what is your name to a friend, that is comment tu t'appelles. Okay, now question number 3 is given, retrouvez les mots. Retrouvez les mots, that means unjumble these words. So first word is given, the words are given TLASU. So I am giving you some seconds to solve it out. So yes, answer will be salut. Salut. Second one, Robjnou. So what can be the answer? Right, answer will be bonjour. Bonjour. Third one, excuse me, IRMCE. IRMCE will be merci. That means thank you, merci. Fourth one will be VRIOERUA. That will be au revoir, or you can say au revoir. The answer is both. Pronunciation is both pronunciations are correct. Au revoir or au revoir. Another one is ENNOBIUNT. ENNOBIUNT, that is bonne nuit. Good night. Bonne nuit. Okay. Question number 4 is given. Trouvez les réponses. Trouvez les réponses, that means right answer for these questions. So here first one is comment tu t'appelles. Comment tu t'appelles, that is the question. Comment tu t'appelles is the question. So answer will be je m'appelle this. Like my name is Neha, so I will say je m'appelle Neha. Comment allez-vous? The question is asking comment allez-vous. This means how are you to an adult. So answer will be to an adult one. Answer will be also formal. So answer will be je vais bien merci. Je vais bien merci. Okay. Next question. Put the dialogue en order. Mettez le dialogue en order. Put the dialogue in order. First is written Julie Legrand. Second, bonjour monsieur. Third, bonjour madame. Fourth one, vous vous appelez comment. Fifth one, je m'appelle Christophe Maureen. And last one, et vous madame. So I'll tell you the correct answer. First one will be bonjour monsieur, or second one will be bonjour madame. Third one will be vous vous appelez comment. Fourth one will be je m'appelle Christophe Maureen. Fifth one will be et vous madame, and you madam. Last one, Julie Legrand. Julie Legrand. So this was the dialogue in order. Question number 6 one is listening one. So whatever your school does, I don't know, like if they play CD, you can listen the answer and then you can write. Seventh question is given. Complétez et utilisez les propres autocollants pour ces expressions. Complete using the right sticker for these questions. Merci beaucoup. S'il vous plaît, papa. Enchanté. Désolé, maman. De rien, je t'en prie. Last is excusez-moi, monsieur. So what you have to do at the last of your book, the stickers are given according to the chapter. So what you have to do, you have to pick the right sticker and paste it here. So here we have ended up the chapter 1. So next time I'll come with the chapter 2. If you want the answers of the Cahier d'exercice, that is the another book, exercise book, Cahier d'exercice. If you want to answer of that book also, you can mention in the comment box. I'll definitely come up with that video. And next time I'll come with my another chapter, that is chapter number 2. Till then, au revoir, bye bye, merci, à bientôt.